Hello again, thanks for watching our videos. Today's video is about the restoration of a 65 Mustang. Didn't have any video of the restoration. I had several hundred pictures, so that's what you're seeing today is a slideshow. I hope you'll enjoy it.
We're picking up where we left off in part one. Here we have the new hood, the new trunk. We're prepping them, getting ready to put them in primer. Here's a new door we have on the car, just checking for make sure it fits good in relations to the quarter. And then there's a front fender to make sure all three pieces line up okay and have proper gaps. We have the final coat of primer on in these photos and about ready to put some paint on it. Just some various parts that we have painted: fenders, hood, trunk, Shelby side scoops, doors. We did paint all of those off the car. It's easier to do that way, a piece at a time. And now we have the body of the car painted. This is showing the rear molding, chrome molding clips. Some 65s had the screw-on type clips, which this car did. The others had the rivet type. Now we're ready for the windshield and back glass. There's a windshield installed. Doors are on the car, door glass is in, door handles, quarter glass, everything works. And then here's a close-up of the Shelby side scoops. Here's a firewall with the brake lines all ran. We've got the heater hoses ready to hook up to the engine. There's a brake master cylinder. And here's the inside the car. The dash instrument cluster is in, glove box is in. Coming together. And here's a gas tank which mounts in the trunk. We do put all new seat upholstery. This is showing the front seat. You can see the foam is shot. Of course, the upholstery bad. We put new seat foam, new upholstery. And the frame itself, pretty rusty here. We do repaint it before we put the seat back together. And we just repeat the process for both front seats and the rear seat also. A completed seat looks really good. Sets good too. Here's a motor and tranny during the cleanup and repainting process. Transmission is just cleaned. It is aluminum, so just clean it off good. And then the motor itself, we clean it. Here it is before. We clean it, paint it, make it all look good before we put it back in the car. Time to put the engine in. This is our hoist that we use to lower it down in the car. And it's safely in place here. You'll notice on the valve cover, that's a Mustang decal. Just an embossed sticker that goes on each valve cover. New chrome front and back bumpers. Here's some photos of some of the things that I've restored in the car. The before and after pictures show what a difference there is. This is, of course, is the rear end. New seals, new bearings, cleaned it up. There's a completed rear end. And this is the old fuse panel. Aluminum foil on the fuses, very unsafe. So I put a new fuse panel in it. Has the plug-in type fuses. And here's a picture of it. Here's the under dash wiring laying on the bench, getting it ready to go back in the car. And when doing this, you always need a good wiring diagram. And this is a Ford manual that I keep on hand. Here's the under dash heater box. This is a before picture when I pulled it out of the car originally. Here's a completed box. New seals, new gaskets. And here's the finished car. Very happy with the way it turned out. I finished this in spring of 2015 and I sold the car in the spring of 2019. The new owner has told me several times that he is very pleased with the car, and that means a lot. That's worth it all when you know that you did a good job, did your best, and the new owner is happy. Hey, if you liked this video, let us know by hitting that like button. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it.